Optimize your images for search engines. Here's a tip for building traffic to your website. Optimize your images for search engines. Most artists don't take advantage of this, and all it takes is a little extra effort each time you add an image to your site. Search engines work mainly off of text and links. Because of this, search engines have a hard time reading images. With descriptive text, you can help your images show up on search engines. If you are a painter, photographer, or other image-based artist, your work could potentially be seen by hundreds or thousands of people each day if you know what you're doing. You want your images to show up where people are looking so you can attract more customers, gain notoriety, and make more money. How to optimize your images. Name your files. Most people save their images with file names like photo1235.jpg. When they upload the file to their website, whether it be a blog, Flickr, Etsy, ImageKind, or other site, the image file shows up as www.jpg, which doesn't tell the search engine anything about the photo. Name the file with descriptive text. Use alternative alt text. Most sites with a visual editor like Flickr, WordPress, or ImageKind allow you to plug alt text into your photo. If you know what keywords you want to show up for online, then this is the place to plug those keywords. Search engines will often pull information on images from the text around the image. If you're posting an image, make sure you talk about it a little bit. Larger images rank better than thumbnails. Google claims that they can check the quality of focus and exposure in photographs and scanned images. Remember to balance your file sizes. Larger images may rank better, but a slow load time will kill your rankings. Color, size, and type filters. The search engines are getting smart. Make sure you use color, R, G, B, etc., and size specifications in your image descriptions. Sites like Flickr, Picasa, ImageKind, Folio Twist, Facebook, and MySpace are huge sources of traffic by themselves. Make sure your social media pages point back to your main website so you can let people know you are a professional.